What we're trying to accomplish here at Milligan Engineering is we are striving to be the world's best undergraduate engineering education facility.
One of the things that really drew me to Milligan was how Milligan was a hands-on engineering school as opposed to a theoretical school. Like, we're actually learning the stuff and applying it as we would in a real-world scenario.
We specialize in teaching and training from a position of expertise, from a position of real-world knowledge about what's going on. But it is phenomenal that a student can come into undergraduate engineering school and get taught by the expert in the field at the undergraduate level.
The people who are teaching are the experts. They're not a graduate student teaching. Another level that people may not realize about engineering. Milligan Engineering is that all the professors are experts in their fields.
If you would like to be an engineer, you're usually the type of person that likes to be useful, likes to solve problems, like to figure things out. We're hands-on practicing engineering. We're focused on how do we get students skilled in actually practicing engineering. We're not trying to teach you how to be a researcher. If you want to be a researcher, you probably shouldn't come here. We're practicing hands-on engineering. We're trying to get you ready for the real world.
When you choose a career path, when you choose, what project you want to work on, it is how can I best serve others and how can I best show my faith through my career. Being at an engineering school that is also a Christian school kind of helped me shape my career path and think about in the future how I could integrate my faith into my career and get back to people.
We're a Christian school founded in Christian servant leadership. You can see the Milligan University mindset, this Christian servant leadership mindset, especially in our engineering projects.
Come to Milligan. Milligan is a fantastic engineering program. The professors are fantastic and they want you here.